hovering over this gigantic world, the mathematical satellite, Mr. Dylan, scanning all of this landscape with Dylan, ultimate mathematics. It might take us a while to get where we want to be, but we gonna get there, and we gonna enjoy every moment of it. Hey, we got a radical equation, third video of the series. So let's go ahead and get to our example for the day. Get with it, get jiggy real quick. All right, so look. We got square root of 2x plus 9, and then we got equals x plus 5. So our first step of the day, I'm going to write that out. First step of the day is we're going to square both sides, all right? So we got to square both sides. When we do that, so we're going to square this side, and then we're going to square this right here. This is going to cancel out, cancel out. That's going to just leave us with, and we rewrite our equation at the bottom, that's going to leave us with 2x plus 9 equals. And so when we do this math right here, all this is going to give us is we got to have x times 5, x times 5, 5 times 5. And that's just going to give us, we got x squared, 5x, 5x, and we got 25. So we can rewrite that right here as x squared plus 10x plus 25. All right. So now that we have this, now we can go ahead and move down to our second step of the day. So we got our second step, and we're going to subtract 9 from both sides. All right. Subtract 9 from both sides. All right. So we're going to subtract 9 from this side and subtract 9 from this side. Draw a little line right here. These going to cancel out, give us 0. And then we can go ahead and just bring all of this down. And once we bring all of that down, we're going to have 2x left over on this side equals x squared plus 10x. 25 minus 9 is going to give us a 16, positive 16. So we got x squared plus 10x plus 16, all right? So we still got to get rid of this 2x. So we're going to go to our third step right here. We got our third step. Third step is going to be subtract 2x from both sides, all right? We want to get 0. We want this equation right here, this x squared plus 10x plus 16. We want that to equal 0. All right, so subtract 2x from both sides. I almost forgot what I was doing real quick. So minus 2x, then we're going to do minus 2x right here because they have the same powers. It's going to cancel out. It's going to give us 0 on this side. And then now we just got to do our math right here. So it's going to be left with, we're going to have 0 equals x squared plus 8x plus 16. All right. So now that we have set this to 0, now what we want to do is we want to simplify this on our right side. So we're going to use pink for right now. So that is going to be our fourth step of the day. So we got our fourth step. We're going to simplify this equation. All right, when we simplify this equation, all right, so we need to find a number that's going to multiply itself or multiply a number by a number that's going to give us 16, but it's going to add to 18, multiply to 16. All right. So we got to have our x's. We got x. All of it is going to be addition. So it's going to be x plus, and we're going to have x plus. All right. What two we got? Numbers we got to have 2 and 6. We got 3 and 5. We got 1 and 8. And then we got 4 and 4. All right. Well, no, we got 4 and 4. We got 1 and 16, and then we got 2 and 8. 2 and 8 don't add up to 8. Well, 1 and 16 don't add up to 8. The only two that add up to 8 is 4. So we got 4 and 4. And 4 times 4 gives us 16. So this is going to give us our simplify as we got x plus 4 squared, all right? And that's going to be equal to 0. So now that we simplified it, now all we got to do is put it in. We're gonna do a little aqua today. Aqua. Now we're gonna so we're gonna go with our fifth step today. We got the fifth step. We're gonna set it equal to 0 and solve. Solve for x, basically. So when we set it equals 0, we're gonna have x plus 4. Since there's two of them, we don't have to do this the same thing. So what you're gonna do, we got 0 equals x plus 4. We're gonna subtract 4 from both sides. And when we subtract 4 from both sides, it's gonna give us our final answer for the day of this whole problem is going to equal x equals negative 4. And that's how you do a radical equation, especially this type of one. This is kind of, a little difficult. You got to do a lot of steps in order to get this solution. So, hey, x equals negative 4 for our radical equation of the day. Peace and blessings go out to everybody viewing the video. Appreciate y'all. Tune in with me. Hey, don't forget, it's your mathematical hovering over this gigantic world, the mathematical satellite, Mr. Dylan, scanning all of this landscape with Dylan Ultimate Mathematics. Hey, journey. You are on a journey in your life. The Creator sets a destination for you, and you go on your own journey to get there. Enjoy every moment, the lows and the highs, while still keeping the destination in mind. Look at, don't look at anyone else's journey. Focus on your own journey. It's yours. Focus on it. Hey, but that's all I got for y'all. Tune in with me, like I said, Mr. Dylan. Hey, catch y'all later. Peace.